Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be making this bow charm that can be used in bag charms as your keychains, and you can also attach them to your clips and use them as your hair accessories. For this project, I'm using acrylic yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. Okay, starting with the video now. First you have to make a slip knot. Okay, and then after making the slip knot you have to make 21 chains. Okay, so basically I am here making 21 chains for the standard size of the bow that I have shown in the video, but if you want to increase the width of your bow, you can increase the number of chains here. Okay. After we are done doing 21 chains, we have to start doing single crochet from the second chain of the hook. So you have to do one single crochet in each of the previous chains all through the row. So at the end of this row, we will be having a total of 20 stitches. Okay, here I have already started with row 2. To start that, first you have to chain 1 and then you have to do single crochet in each of the stitches. So in this row also we will be having a total of 20 stitches. And same way, to start with the row 3, you have to chain 1 and again you have to do single crochet all along the row. I will be making 4 rows for this bow, each by starting with a chain 1 and doing a single crochet in each of the previous stitches. So making a total count of 20 stitches in each row. So in this video I have already completed row 3 and I am on row 4 here. So I had started my row 4 also by doing a chain 1, and here I am in the middle of row 4 doing single crochet in each of the stitches. Okay, to end it we have to chain 1 and then we have to cut off the yarn. Just remember that you have to cut the yarn a little longer because we will be using this long yarn end to give the shape to our bow. The part that we had made was the head part of our bow. To make the tail, we have to crochet the same piece in the same way. Just remember, for the tail part, you don't have to leave a longer end. You can sew that the ends of the tail part, but for the head part, you have to leave the length of the yarn. Okay, now with the long end yarn piece, we have to fold it like this, and with a darning needle we have to sew the ends. Okay, so this will be forming our head part of a bow. So carefully taking a darning needle between the 2 stitches, we have to fold and join the ends like this. Okay, after we are done with the sewing part, just remember to keep it at the center. Okay, and now I will be wrapping this longer yarn end once and making a knot at the back side. So here I am making one knot a little tighter to give it a shape of the bow, and again I am giving a knot. Basically you have to give 2 knots here tight so that quite a bit shape of the bow comes in here. Okay, and then you have to take the other piece and you have to fold it in a way, partially fold it in a way to give the shape of a tail. Okay, here I am folding it partially and then placing it behind my head part of the bow, carefully placing it. Also keep a check that both the tail ends are equal. Okay, once they are placed in proper place, you can wrap the yarn again 2 to 3 times to secure the tail end with the head part. Okay, once we are done wrapping around part, we have to again knot 2 times at the back of the bow to tightly secure it one final time. So I will be using this bow as a back charm. So for the longer piece of the yarn that is left, I will be doing 25 chains and slipping stitching them at the back of this bow. As you can see here, the chains that I have made of the yarn, that's 25 in number, and I have made a slip stitch at the back of the bow. So here you can see my pretty bow charm on my back. Now we have reached the end of our video. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to Hysterical Loops by Urhan to watch more such beautiful, pretty crochet crafted stuffs. And thanks for watching.